What's up, Sparks? Welcome back to Sparkplug TV. My name is Chris, and today we are doing the 2023 Subaru Outback Limited driving video. Let's go. Let's go.
Since 2008, Johnson Subaru of Cary has been the best resource for all things Subaru. Now operating out of a brand new stunning facility, you'll experience excellent customer service and a shopping experience like no other. Link in the description below.
Welcome back to Sparkplug TV. My name is Chris, and I do car reviews for literally everybody, not just car enthusiasts. Let's go ahead and get my profile scanned. Scanning. Let's throw her into drive, turn off the e-brake, and let's get out of here. Now, this does have the 2.5 liter naturally aspirated boxer engine. And if for those of you that don't know what a boxer engine is, it basically means that the pistons point outward and work this way instead of this way. This does have auto stop start on it, and my complaint about it is that it is so violent when it turns back on. Like, it shakes the entire car, and I think it's a little bit much when it comes to that. And even if it's on the auto hold setting, like I'll turn on the auto hold setting, and you do have to turn that on every time. Even when it's on the auto hold setting, it will be too much. It'll vibrate the car in a very violent way that is just not very palatable. It's not that bad, but it just vibrates a lot. Alright, so that was 185 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque. Now, it does come with a much higher output engine with the 2.4 and the turbo, but I think for a daily driver kind of situation, like, it's not really that bad. I do think that the CVT is a little lackadaisical. It's just kind of like, yeah, I guess I'll tighten it. Yeah, I guess I'll, let go on the belt a little bit. It's really not the, quickest shifting, but I think it does the job. I mean, again, I don't think people that are driving this are going to be the most spirited drivers. The suspension is actually very luxurious. I think it's very smooth. It's not too tight and it's not too wobbly when it comes to straight lines, and for daily driving use, it's actually pretty good. Now, I did just depart on the lane, and I don't know if you were able to see it, but it did flash some warning lights because I did depart the lane. Now, you are able to adjust the driving assistant features, whereas you are able to either just have it beep at you, or you're able to have it kind of push you back into the lane. Currently, I have it on all functionality, but I just like it that way, just so that if I do kind of get out of the lane, then it'll help me. So, and then in terms of road noise and vibration and stuff, I mean, there's not a ton of road noise from the tires, but I mean, there is a little bit of wind noise that you can hear, especially at higher speeds. But other than that, I mean, by and large, it's actually pretty quiet. The other little gripe that I seem to have with this Subaru is that for how big this thing is, the stopping power doesn't seem to all be there. All right, so now I'm about to get on the highway and test out the EyeSight safety system, which includes the adaptive cruise control, the lane tracing assist, lane departure warning assist, all that stuff. I am the most impressed by Subaru's active safety system, the EyeSight system. It is so good. It doesn't panic brake. It comes to a complete stop. It does the stop and go featuring. The other really great feature about this is that it almost feels like it's an autonomous driving vehicle, especially on the highway. This steering wheel, there is something that is so safe feeling about the way that this kind of active lane following assist is. It feels sturdier than most cars. It feels like it's actually steering for you, and it feels like you don't have to have your hands on the steering wheel, even though you absolutely should. Ding! You know, additionally, a cool feature on the adaptive cruise control too is that it allows you to choose what kind of acceleration that you're able to elicit from the cruise control itself. You can do eco, standard, comfort, or dynamic acceleration. Now, of course, this isn't going to have the highest output when it comes to that, but that's okay because this is so comfortable. This is so comfortable on the highway. I mean, it is just meant for this, you know, level of cruising. But I think that where the Subaru Outback shines is on the highway, because this is meant to be a cross-country tourer. You know, this is meant to be a daily grocery getter, and it's very indicative in once you take it out on the highway and get it going. It's comfortable, it's cushy, it's a really, really great highway driver. Oh my God, I think we're coming up on an old Outback. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Past and future. Wow. So to wrap my whole review of the Subaru Outback, I mean, you know, is it the most dynamic driver? No. Does it elicit confidence around corners? No. Is it the most comfortable on the highway and with the safety features and the eyesight and the head-up display? Absolutely. I give it a 10 out of 10 when it comes to cross-country driving, highway driving, comfortability. You know, in that sense, it is great. If you want something that's a little bit more dynamic in the streets, get a Crosstrek, get an Impreza, get a WRX. Don't get the Outback. The Outback is for families. The Outback is for people who want something that is economical, well-equipped, you know, a station wagon. If you want a dynamic station wagon, get the Audi Avant, get the, you know, the Volvo, get, I don't know, the Porsche Panamera. Get one of those cars, you know, but that is not what this is for. Or if you want the best of both worlds and you want a little bit more dynamic acceleration at least, then yeah, get the one with the 2.4 turbo. But if you're gonna go with something that is just, you know, a day-to-day, you know, great car to drive, then this is the one for you. And I absolutely do condone it. Again, is it for me? Not necessarily, but I totally see the appeal and I get it. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. I put out new videos whenever I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Hey Sparks, thanks for watching today's video. Do you want more Sparkplug TV content? Then you can choose one of these 3 options. Right over here. The middle button is to subscribe to my channel, so please do that. Right over here. These 3. I can't see them in real life, but they're right here.